Hi, in this video you will learn how to implement smile simulations in your practice. I will teach you how to take the proper picture of a patient, what tools you need to take these pictures, and how to simulate your patient's smiles in just 1 minute using SmileFy software. At the end of the video, you will also be able to present the treatment plan to your patient using this easy-to-use software. So let's get started. Understanding a patient's wishes and desires is very important for you to fully develop your treatment plan using the software. So the first thing to do is to ask your patient about their fears and also about the desires regarding the treatment. The Smile simulation will allow you to not only give the patient what they came in for, but it will also give the patient to visualize new possibilities through the simulation that you are going to propose. All they have to do is to stand up against a solid colored background, such as a white wall in your office, and make sure that you have a great lighting that goes towards the patient's face. You can use a ring light or a softbox or even natural light from your window, for example. When taking the photo of your patient, make sure that the patient's eyes are looking straight at the lens of the camera and that the patient has a natural head position. That will ensure the proper position of the teeth proportions and also will give you more information about the patient's facial characteristics that will give you a better understanding on how to design natural-looking smile simulations. Now, to take your picture, open SmileFy app, which is on the top left corner, tap on New Patient, then select 2D Smile Design, and tap on the plus sign in the full smile box. Since your patient is already in front of you, simply tap on Take Picture. Notice that we have a facial frame. This facial frame will guide you on how to take the ideal patient's photo. Switch the toggle to AI, and then once the patient's head is in the frame, tap on AI Picture. Once the artificial intelligence identifies the patient's face, the facial frame will turn green and it will automatically start taking the pictures. After a couple of seconds, tap on the green button and select the best picture for your smile simulation. The ideal photo should have the eyes looking straight at the lens of the camera, both ears visible, natural head position, and a big wide smile. In case you have to retake the picture, tap Retake. Otherwise, tap Use, which is at the bottom right corner. Now that you have taken your picture, tap on AI Smile Simulation, which is here at the bottom of your screen. And all you have to do is to position the smile outline over the patient's existing teeth. In a pinch mode, you can zoom in, and using these arrows here at the bottom, you can shift it to the left, right, up, and down. Start by positioning the central incisors first, and then adjust the other teeth by using the commands here at the bottom. We have height. If you scroll up, we also have ratio, and also buccal corridor. If necessary, you can tap on symmetry and turn it off to give you more freedom to work on each side individually. Zooming out, you will also find the curvature, which it's represented by the smile curvature of your smile simulation. So now that you have positioned the smile outline in the ideal proposal for your treatment plan, tap on Generate Smile. As you can see, the smile simulation is pretty much done. However, we give you 4 different options for you to check on the best teeth shape, the best match the patient's face. Here, we have these arrows where you can select 4 different types. Once you select the one that you want, simply tap on Select. Now, go to Colors and adjust the colors as needed. We have here 3 templates for you to choose, and if you keep scrolling up, you can also check on the warmth, which will make it whiter or more yellow. Check on brightness, blurriness, And even if you have a gummy smile, you can also do an artificial gingiva, or you can also remove it if you want. To select different teeth shapes, simply go to Smile Harmony, scroll all the way up, and tap here in this arrow. Notice that the design will change automatically. Once you're satisfied, tap on Next and show your patient the before and after. Here we have a slider where you can slide it to the left and to the right. Or you can also use the slider here at the bottom and shift it to side by side to visualize the smile simulation side by side. If you tap Share, you can also have a copy of this before and after, which will go straight to your photo gallery, and also a screen recording of the before and after. And to save the case, simply tap on Next, add your patient's name, and right here, tap on Save Case. There are many options for you to present the smile simulations to your patient. One of them is by doing right there, chair side. You simply give the iPad or the iPhone to your patient and let the patient see the before and after. As you are showing the before and after to your patient, you can always explain the treatment using this visual communication. Another option is by taking this patient straight to your consultation room, where you can have the before and after picture right on the television, and you can use the iPhone or the iPad or your MacBook to exemplify all the treatment plan options that you are proposing to them. It gives the patient a better understanding of what's being proposed, as now the patient can fully visualize themselves with the treatment that you are proposing. Of course, the smile simulation only simulates the patient's smile, so this is just a draft of the treatment plan. The next step is for you to start creating your own 3D walk-ups, where you can perform your smile trials or even temporaries or composite veneer guides for your final restoration. Now it's your turn to become a smile designer in your practice. Start creating amazing smile simulations to your patients and give them the best experience using SmileFy software.